Before we look into how to make the perfect golden milk to boost our immunity, let's look into why the body loves turmeric. Turmeric is one of the world's most widely consumed herbs, and also one of the most researched, with over 3,900 studies and scientific citations behind it. It's been used as a food and medicinal herb for thousands of years in the Far East, and is probably the most popular dietary supplement on the planet. It's not surprising that many healthcare professionals recommend this amazing herb to their patients. The benefits of turmeric include: supports healthy inflammatory response, supports digestion and a healthy gut, helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, supports a healthy liver, encourages deep sleep, helps with belly fat and weight loss, supports healthy brain function, can support allergy symptom relief, encourages elevated mood. Let's now dive into making the perfect golden milk, a comforting, healthy drink featuring the magic of turmeric. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of your favorite milk, I prefer almond milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption, honey or maple syrup for sweetness, and a dash of cinnamon for extra flavor. Alright, let's get started with the preparation. First, heat the milk gently in a saucepan. Then, stir in turmeric, black pepper, and cinnamon. Let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, pour it into a mug and sweeten with honey or maple syrup. Enjoy. This soothing drink not only warms you up but also boosts your immunity, reduces inflammation, and promotes better sleep. We will look into the numerous other health benefits of turmeric in upcoming videos. Want an even easier way to enjoy turmeric benefits daily? Golden milk is just the beginning. Take your health to the next level with this superb turmeric supplement that we found. It is packed with high-quality turmeric to give your health a natural boost. It is an all-natural formulation made from pure turmeric extract. It is both gluten-free and non-GMO. It is made with natural extracts, compounds, and proven ingredients shown in thousands of studies to support optimal health. It's gut-friendly and easy on the digestive system. Best of all, its proprietary formulation process is up to 21 times more bioavailable than other supplements with the same dosage, so you feel better faster. Find the link in the video description. Have you tried to make golden milk before? Will you try our tasty golden milk recipe? Let us know in the comments section. We would like to hear from you. Like and subscribe to our channel as we journey to better health.